Are we going to see more of this year?
Therefore, when they were gathered together, Pilate said unto them,
Who hear that I release unto you Barabbas for Jesus for his holy Christ.
Okay, so that is it, Nimako. It's going to be exactly a year since this thing came to the fore. I don't know whether this year we're going to see more of that, but already we can see a lot in the system. Palm Sunday, just take a look at these ones. Jesus on a bicycle. I don't want to bring some here. The point I want to make is that, please, make sure you prepare yourself. Hey, my brother Tepo, last year you know what happened, so make sure that you prepare yourself. I'm not there to edit the part, they'll put it out there and then they'll laugh, so make sure that this time round, you prepare yourself. This is a time for also creators to make money. So if you don't know, you make yourself content, they'll create it. And they'll put it up there and make money from that. If you don't prepare yourself, especially when it comes to some pronunciations, listen to this lady.
Easter is a few days from now. So you have enough time to learn the difference between rise, rose, arise, and risen. I beg you.
And if you are reading, you are given a specific role to play. Make sure that you prepare yourself. It's very important. Very, very important this time. We don't want a situation whereby after the celebration, you are trending like Nimako. So we don't want that to happen. So make sure that you prepare yourself. It's very, very important. That is what I have for you. That's what I have for you. Prepare. Preparation is key. Enjoy the season of Lent and, Holy Week. I wish you all the best. Let us suffer with Jesus in Jerusalem. Let us die with him and rise with him once again. I wish you all the best. Happy Easter in advance.